Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about weekly stock market update, and we will figure out, is it bullish trend, what's going on in the weekly time frame for stock market world. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Let's move to VBull. VBull, if you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. We are going to talk about weekly time frame. I don't use weekly time frame for entry or exit position. For swing trading, I'm using 4 hours or daily time frame for entry or exit position. Weekly, I just monitor weekly, monthly time frame, quarterly, just to monitor market trend direction. Just review market trend direction. That's all. That's the purpose and reason of the weekly and monthly time frame. Just analytical. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages. You see this line. It's a white line. It's MA 200. Purple line, it's MA 100. Blue line, it's MA 50. Yellow line, it's MA 20. Red line, it's MA 10. Green line, it's MA 5. That's all. And also green dots bullish reversal signal, red dots bearish reversal signal, MACD indicator green line, red line signal line, RSI similar, RSI line green line, awesome oscillator green bars bullish, red bars bearish. That's all. Very simple. Let's move to move to our review. Let me briefly mention about my simple trading style. You see, it's a weekly time frame. USA dollar weekly time frame. Let's see, DXY, right? DXY weekly. You see, when MA 5 and 10 and bars above 20 and 20 is uptrend, yellow line is at 20. Bars above 20, it's a bullish trend direction. When bars below 20 and MA 5 and 10 below 20, below yellow line, you see, it is bearish trend direction. What recently dollar did? It did bullish crossover. Bars, at least bars now about 20. We have 2 bars already about 20. MA 5 and 10 still below 20, but bars already about 20. Bullish crossover, first bullish reversal signal bar, and that bar. Dot, green dot, you see. MACD bullish crossover, RSI bullish crossover, awesome oscillator. All indicators bullish on weekly time frame. It is bullish reversal signal for USA dollar. Bullish dollar, it's a bearish for indexes. Let's see daily time frame for US for DXY. DXY was very bullish, was very close to 200. 200 is still downtrend. It's kind of negative. MA 20 yellow line, it's uptrend. It is positive. MA 5 already did bearish crossover over 10. Bearish reversal signal dots, 2 red dots. MACD bearish crossover. RSI awesome oscillator. All indicators ready for bearish reversal signal. But you see last bar on daily time frame, it touched 20 and it did bounce from 20. It did bounce from 20. Will continue bounce. Will continue to go to 200 and touch 200 and reject it from 200. We'll see. Will be resistant. 200 now resistant, 20 as a support. But all indicators looks like they want to have some correction, bearish correction. Like 3 days ago, I told you 3-4 days ago, the bars were very disconnected from 20. Usually when it's disconnected, it wants to connect back to 20, but now it's already connected. It can continue to go up, but most likely because of the indicators, it will continue to go down. How far down? Maybe it will touch 100, and 100 will be support. Maybe 50 can be support. That's what we observe on a daily time frame. Now let's move to Qs. Qs weekly time frame. Let's see Qs. Q's just tested this level. I'm sorry, what I did. Let me show you. That's what, sorry about this mess. Okay. Weekly time frame Q's, right? Q's weekly time frame, you see it started this level. It tested level, a lot of resistance on this level for Q's. A lot of resistance. And it is level around, what was April 2022, right? April 2022. Around April 22, tested level around April 2022. Very strong bull run from October. Nice bull run. You see, it did bullish crossover over 20, and it did run about 20, and now last bar disconnected. Let me maximize it. Now last bar far from 20. You see 20 line yellow? This bar very disconnected from 20. It definitely wants to have some connection. And it was bull run for last, from October, like I said, from January. From January, the low was October over here. But from January, it was straight bull run. For last 5 months. 5 months straight bull run. It definitely wants to have some correction because RSI in a very overbought state, around 72, 73. Awesome oscillator bullish, all indicators bullish and overbought state. On weekly time frame, you see the volume is decreasing. Volume is decreasing on weekly time frame. Last week was short week because of holiday, but volume is decreasing. Let's move to daily. Daily for Qs. Daily, it is bullish trend, very far from 200, very far from 20, disconnected from 20. MACD, bullish. RSI, very overbought around, on daily time frame, around 77. Very overbought. And awesome oscillator, bullish, also in overbought state. Bullish trend on Qs, and they have bearish divergences. You see bearish divergences from these levels on RSI, on MACD, on all indicators. It's a bearish divergences on all indicators for Qs. On daily time frame, bearish divergences. On weekly, no divergence. Only on the histogram. Here on this histogram, you see, only on this histogram, on the MACD histogram. Okay, let's move to SPY weekly. SPY weekly time frame. SPY only tested August 22. Remember, Qs tested April 22, this level. Qs the most strongest index. April, this level, Qs tested. SPY tested only August level. Bullish trend on weekly time frame on all indicators. Bullish trend. And last bar above all moving averages, it is positive bullish trend on all indicators. On weekly time frame, let's see daily. Daily, it's last 2 days, very positive. It left gap up. Generally it left multiple gaps down. 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps from this level. From March it left 3 gaps. Bullish signal, bullish trend, it bounced from the major trend line. This major trend line started from the top. Last bar disconnected from 20, definitely wants to connect back to 20. Bullish trend on all indicators with bearish divergences on all indicators on daily time frame. You see MACD bearish divergence, RSI bearish divergence, awesome oscillator bearish divergence. Bearish divergences, multiple bearish divergences on all indicators. It means SPY S&P 500 wants to have some correction. Now let's move to, let's see VIX, what's going on with VIX. Daily time frame, it is bearish, right? And it's bullish for SPX. Weekly time frame, it is also bearish. It's bullish for SPX. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones weekly. Dow Jones weekly, very weak. Look at it. It's a flat price action for several weeks since November. Just flat price action. Nice green wick. It's flat on MACD, flat on RSI. Awesome oscillator still red. MACD histogram still red. Still bearish reversal dot. Still kind of flat. It's around it's at the MA 200. All moving averages kind of together now except 200 in the narrow state. And it is flat, just flat. Daily time frame, it was bearish. It did touch 200. You see, several times it touched 200, MA 200, and it did bounce. Last 2 days, it did bounce from 200. Very powerful bull run. And now last Friday, it closed above all moving averages, about 20. It is bullish position now. MACD did bullish crossover, green line. RSI did bullish crossover, bullish position, bullish signal on daily time frame for S&P 500. I'm sorry, for Dow Jones. I'm talking about Dow Jones. For Dow Jones, bullish position, bullish signal. Let's move to IWM. Russell 2000. Let's start weekly time frame. Weekly time frame for Russell 2000. Kind of similar like Dow Jones, because Dow Jones and Russell 2000 was the weakest indexes. And before last week, it was in very negative and below all moving averages. Still, last week it was more positive. Last bar it touched 200, connected back to 200 and connected to 20, and now it's at MA 200 level. It is positive, bullish. MACD did bullish crossover, RSI did bullish crossover, and awesome oscillator changed color from red to green. Bullish signal, bullish for last 2 weeks, bullish reversal signal on IWM. Maybe it will be some rotation by sectors. From high-tech sectors, money will relocate to mid companies, to Russell 2000, because Russell 2000 in very oversold state. Compared to Qs, because Qs is very overbought, in a very overbought state on weekly time frame. Let's move to daily time frame for IWM. You see the all bars and moving averages below 200. It is never negative territory, but last Friday it was nice bull run, and it closed above all moving averages. It is positive bull run. MACD also move about to zero line. Heikanaichi move green, and also oscillator green. Bullish reversal signal on daily time frame. Nice strong volume on Friday. For IWM. Let's move to Apple. Let's start Apple weekly time frame. What's going on with Apple? Apple very close to the top of the market. Top of the market was, you see, almost $183. This is the level, $83. Let me make a line just to show you. We touched 182. Last bar touched 182. We are almost there. Apple almost tested the recent high. One more dollar, it will test the recent high. Very strong bull run since January for last, like similar like Qs, right? Since from January for last 5 months, bullish run, straight bull run. Last bar disconnected from 20. Very disconnected. It definitely wants to connect to 20. Bullish trend, bullish run, MACD green bullish, RSI in overbought state, very overbought. Awesome oscillator green bullish, all bullish. It left some gap, small gap, but very bullish on weekly time frame. And definitely, yeah, it is bullish. Some bearish divergences, bearish divergence on the histogram only. Only histogram has bearish divergence, no other divergences. Bullish trend on RSI, it's very overbought state. Let's move to daily. Daily, it is on daily, last bar, it's in decision mode, disconnected from 20 from yellow line in decision mode. Bullish trend on MACD and bearish divergence you see on MACD from the, let's see, from this point. Bearish divergence on MACD. Bearish divergence, multiple bearish divergences on MACD. On RSI, similar, multiple bearish divergences on RSI. And you see on the awesome oscillator, also multiple bearish divergences. Multiple bearish divergences. Apple wants to have some correction because of divergences, and it will change direction of the Qs. Same for the other, Microsoft, Google, Nvidia, all high-tech large cap corporations. Okay, let's move to Tesla. Tesla, let's start weekly. Tesla weekly, it's a green bar, bullish trend on all indicators on weekly time frame. It doesn't show very nice because of the split, but still on weekly time frame it's bullish. For some reason, VBull doesn't show, doesn't correct splits. On daily time frame, it's a bullish trend. Also RSI, on RSI in very overbought state. Tesla in very overbought state. Bullish trend and overbought state on RSI definitely wants to have some correction. Alibaba Group. Let's start weekly time frame for Alibaba Group. Alibaba Group, very negative, very bearish. Last bar below all moving averages, below on weekly time frame, right? Very bearish. MACD below zero line, bearish. RSI, awesome oscillator, all on weekly time frame. BABA is negative. Last bar below all moving averages, it is bearish territory. And in below 200, it is very bearish territory on weekly time frame for Alibaba. Daily time frame, you see price action was downtrend. It's a bullish reversal signal dot now. Last bar moved about 20. It is positive bullish signal. MACD did bullish crossover and bullish divergences on MACD. RSI bullish crossover, bullish divergences on RSI, and awesome oscillator green, bullish divergence on the awesome oscillator. Bullish divergences on all indicators, bullish trend. If you want to go bullish, just keep stop tight. Keep stop tight. I don't know. Let's see. I would put stop at 81. It's a MA5 level, or at MA10, 82. If it's not going to continue move up, it can continue to go bearish. Okay, bullish reversal signal for BABA. On weekly, it is still weak. Nvidia, the most popular stock now, right? Very huge gap, $60 gap. You see 306, 366 gap, $60 gap, $20 gap. Still last bar, still disconnected from 820, right? It's a daily time frame for Nvidia. Yellow line, it's at 20, it's still disconnected from 20. Let me maximize it. disconnected from 20, bullish trend on all indicators. RSI was 85, was very overbought state. Awesome oscillator already changed to red. Bullish signal, bullish trend on daily time frame with huge gap up. Weekly time frame, bullish trend from 108, from $1, from $108 in October. It moved to $420. $420 from 100 to 400. It did multiple X's. Multiple X's. Definitely investors, they want to have some profit correction. They want to take profit. Last bar disconnected from 200, from 20, very huge disconnection from 20. Definitely wants to have correction. Bullish trend on MACD, on a Fibonacci. RSI very overbought, 86, 87. Very overbought. Our awesome oscillator green bullish. Bullish signal, bullish trend on all indicators. MA5 did bullish crossover over 200. It definitely wants to have at least correction to test 200. It's a 315 level. 315, it must to test 200, maybe connected to 20 at the 200 level. We'll see. It's a 315 level, right? 318 now, 318, 316. That's all. Very simple, and let's do summary. Qs, the strongest index on weekly time frame. Still bullish, disconnected from 20. An overbought state with bearish divergences on daily time frame. SPY, not strong like Qs, but very strong. It tested August 2022. Qs tested April 2022. Very strong, very bullish with bearish divergences on daily time frame for S&P, but it's still powerful, still bullish trend on weekly and daily. Dow Jones kind of flat on weekly time frame, and it was very weak on daily, but last 2 days it did correct. It moved to positive bullish crossover. IWM on daily is similar like Dow. It was very negative, very weak. Dow and IWM, and last 2 days they did nice bull run and switch from bearish trend to bullish crossover, bullish reversal signal. On weekly time frame, both of them kind of neutral, but they switched to bullish reversal signal on weekly time frame also. Possible it will be rotation of the sectors from high tech, because the high tech overbought, they will take profit and they will relocate assets to small cap, for medium size cap, for IWM. We'll see. That's all from my side. It's a weekly review. Tomorrow I will do monthly and quarterly review. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it. And thank you for watching Simple Trading Style video. I do publish daily, weekly and monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.